This is Loudoun Kirk, near Galston in East Ayrshire. This is the burial place of the Campbells of Loudoun Castle. This intact section of the old kirk is the mausoleum of the family. A new church was established in New Milnes, and this one was left to get to its present condition. One of the saddest of the graves in Loudoun Kirk is that of Lady Flora Hastings, daughter of Francis Rawdon Hastings, 1st Marquess, and his wife Flora Muir Campbell Hastings, Countess of Loudoun in her own right. Lady Flora was a handmaiden to the Duchess of Kent, the mother of Queen Victoria. Now, on one occasion, Lady Flora accompanied Sir James Conroy, who had something of a scandalous reputation, from Scotland down to England without the presence of a chaperone. This greatly shocked Queen Victoria. Shortly after, Lady Flora began to show a swelling of the abdomen. This became more and more obvious. Lady Flora wasn't married. Scandal, rumour began to pervade the court, and Sir James Clark, physician to the Queen, was asked to examine Lady Flora, who, not surprisingly, was totally horrified at the suggestion. The examination took place, and although it was said at the time she was not with child, there was a certain degree of ambiguity that didn't help resolve the situation. However, it became resolved when it became clear that Lady Flora was suffering from a cancer of the liver, from which she died. This caused immense distress to the family. In fact, they posted all their letters with the postage stamp upside down, it said. The funeral here was a massive affair, with all the tenants and workers on the estate lined up as her coffin was carried through. Her mother only survived for about 6 months after. The Lady Flora Institute in New Milnes was built to commemorate her. It is said that the unpopularity of Queen Victoria lasted for several years, and she was even known to be booed and hissed by crowds because of this affair. Oddly, something like 40 years or so after her death, another death notice was printed in the Times newspaper. No one knows the reason for this or who is behind it. But it certainly showed she had not been forgotten.